This is Matt, and this will be a quick straightforward video on how to convert from British pounds to euros online. So we are doing GBP to euro. You can see right here, I like to use this currency converter at wise.com. You can see the URL right here on the screen. It's quite a long URL, so I'll put that in the video description. You can just click that link and wind up here. This is a Wise currency converter. By default, we see that 1000 GBP is currently converted in euros to 1,154 euros 67. We can of course change this value. You just enter whatever value you want in here. You can even put decimal points in there, so we can see that currently £1,634 89 pence is equal to 1,887 euros 76. And they've got a really good interface here. You can just click the drop down. You can enter any kind of currency you want. I think they've got pretty much every world currency here. I think on this Wise converter you can use the search as well, and the same on the bottom there. You can convert from and to pretty much any world currency. Really super helpful. You can use Wise to send money. You don't have to be signed in or anything. This is a completely free converter that they've just got on their site. It's really helpful. You can use it anywhere in the world and from your cell phone, mobile phone, desktop, tablet, wherever you are. Bookmark this. This page is always here for you. Hopefully you found this video on how to convert from British pounds sterling to euros online useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.